Okay, okay. Hey, I'm back. It's 6:38. It is Sunday, November the 2nd. It is 22 days until my birthday. I was on here earlier, but I didn't finish my card, but I did finish it now. I finished it over on TikTok. But anyway, here it is. I put some sparkle with it. I don't think you can see it very well because it's just not really sparkling. I used some other stuff, but it's a different size card. It will go into a non-stamping up envelope, this big envelope, which is like 7 by 5, I think. So it's going to go in this big envelope. So there we go. And then I'm now in the middle of making a different card. And I'm trying to use my craft white paint, and I've got something here. So let me flip my camera around. So here's my design I've got so far, and it's going to be on a gorgeous gray background. So I'll have to have white on the inside, but I think that's it. I may just leave it like this and then just put something on the inside. What do y'all think? Um, can you give me a thumbs up or something in the comments? Um, anyway, thinking that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna do it like that. I don't really want. I guess this can say hello or something. I was thinking about putting like thank you, but I think my thank you for this stamp set is really too small. It does not. You are a wonder. I don't know. I just don't know. Your strength inspires me. What about that one? Will that go on here? You get something to wink. I don't know. Your strength inspires me. I really hate this song. I don't know that this is going to fit. It's going to be really tight. I do it on that. Ugh. I don't want to do it on that. That's so sticky. Excuse me. Boom, boom, boom. Let me see. I'm thinking I need to do it in. Oh, yeah, I'll do it in the white. Oh, I should have done the Visimark first. Let's see how this turns out. But I want to see if this purple will go over it. I don't think I've opened this purple. Oh, I haven't. Let's see if I can do this. This is like glitter. I don't know if this works. Let's see. Just trying to use some old stuff up, which is not Stampin' Up, but that's okay. Let's see. Let's see how this works. Looks like gorgeous grape, right? Ooh, love it. I don't know that I don't know if I can get it to I mean, let me see. Let me see if it'll set. Is it setting? I was thinking it might be. I can't tell. All right. Uh-oh. Shoot. I want to get into that. No, I don't. Thank y'all for watching me live or replay. Um, this is my second card I have made on here tonight. Using something new and something old. Let's see if this will work. Let's see if this glue will work without messing that up. There we go. All right. Thanks for watching. So here is my card. Oh, y'all can't read it. I don't know how to, I can't flip it. Anyway. Alrighty. Thanks for watching. Again, this is called, I gotta find it, Love and, not Love, excuse me. Light of Aurora is the, um, it's a collection, Light of Aurora Sweet Collection, or the Light and Wonder stamp set. It is in the annual catalog, in the mini catalog through December. And I just thought it was so cute. So beautiful. I love the paper. Anyway, there's the paper. I hope to make some more cards with it. So anyway, thank y'all for watching me live or replay. I don't know who's been on here or who's not, who didn't watch the first video, but I'm going to have to send this to somebody. Be on the lookout. I think it's going to go to Patty. Anyway, all right. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.